Do you want your hand to be vain? Do these 5 exercises with me so that you can get results along with me. Let's go to start the exercises. The first exercise. Gently move your wrist up and down so easily. Do this exercise for 15 to 30 seconds. You can help me a lot with just one click and like. Thank you for your like. The second exercise. Press your fist into your palm like I did. Do this exercise for 15 to 30 seconds. The third exercise. Make a fist and open it quickly. I told you that the exercises are very easy but powerful and important. Do this exercise for 15 to 30 seconds. The fourth exercise. Hold your arm with your opposite hand and gently repeat the rotation movements in the video. Do this exercise like the rest of the exercises for 15 to 30 seconds. The fifth exercise. Move your hands up and down with your fingers like in the video. Do this exercise for 15 to 30 seconds. Now it's time for recovery. Let your hands be free and shake them a little. Thank you for giving me energy by liking. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race.